Have you ever wondered,
how do I use this?
Well, then stay tuned to this episode of Cleaning Avengers. These heroes will lead you step by step in how to clean with slope. Don't know what slope is? Well, Slope Cleaning Avengers Dusting Daphne and Washing Watson are here to explain.
Have a line to say.
Hi, I'm Dusting Daphne.
And I'm Washing Watson.
Tell us, what is slope?
Well, slope is the numeric measure of a linear relationship.
You may know slope of a line by the other names, such as steepness, grade, or rate of change.
Yes, but that isn't the only way to describe slope. Slope can also equal the rise over run, the change in y over the change in x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Oh wow, that was so impressive. Why don't we hand things over now to our friends, Wiping Willow and Mopping Matthias. Mopping Matthias here.
And Wiping Willow.
Thank you, Washing Watson, for that very detailed explanation.
By now, you may be wondering,
How does this apply to cleaning?
Well, you can find slope in lots of places in your everyday cleaning routine.
dusting shelves is a positive slope, which is up to the right.
Mopping has a negative slope, which is down to the right.
Wiping counters is a zero slope and goes horizontal.
Washing walls has an undefined slope, which is 0. There are 3 different equations used to find slope. Standard form, ax plus by equals c. An example of this is 2x plus 5y equals 10. Slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. Example of this is y equals 1/2 x plus 3. The final method used is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. An example of this is y minus 2 equals 1/2 times the quantity x minus 5. We got this equation by using the coordinates of a point, 5, 2, and the slope of a line, 1/2.
Say, for some odd reason, you want to find the slope of your mop. Well, as we said before, the mop has a negative slope. So, what you'll do is you'll place it on the graph, and you'll look to see if it crosses any 2 lines. As you can see right here, it crosses, and that point is 4, -2. The other place where it crosses is 2, -1. Now, with those 2 points, we will find the slope of the line. And as you remember, one of the equations for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. With those coordinates, it will work. So 4 minus -1 over -2 minus 2. So that's 4 minus -1. You can add, and that makes it 5. And then that makes it negative. It's -4. So the slope of our line is -4/5. So that's the slope of our line. Now, with the slope, we can find the equation of the line. And if you remember, one of the equations was point slope. So now you can take one of the coordinates. So I am going to use -2, 4, and we're going to place those in. So y minus 4 equals our slope, so 5 over 4 times the quantity x, and since it's negative, we'll cancel that out, so that'd be positive 2. And that would be our equation for the line.
To transition from point slope form into slope intercept form, you have to distribute -4/5 to x and to 2. You end up with y minus 4 equals negative 5 over 4x plus negative 5 over 2. You would then add the 4 on each side, and you end up with 3 over 2. You then write out the equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 5/4 x plus 3 over 2. Now, to change from slope-intercept form into standard form, you take your slope-intercept form, which is y equals negative 5/4 x plus 3 over 2. And you would subtract y from each side and subtract 3 over 2 from each side. You would then get your standard form, which is negative 3 over 2 equals negative 5 over 4x minus y. Congratulations, you did it. Now you can find the slope of a line and its equation. This is...
Hello, Avengers!
Francis!
It's Fungal! Have fun seeing all your hard work go down the drain.
We'll get you! Cleaners, assemble!
Man, I hate this job. Why can't I chase after the villain? No, I'm done.
Have you ever wondered
How I use this?
Hi, I'm Dusting Daphne.
And I'm washing Watson. Can't add line.
What?
You forgot your line!
Hi, I'm Dusting Daphne.
And I'm washing Watson. We're never gonna get this done with
We
you.
are